Hello, shy and glamorous people. Today I'm going to be playing Dandy's World because one of my recent fans suggested that I might play Dandy's World. I played it once before, but that's it. So I don't know what to tell you. How are they so fast? Guys, I don't know what to do. I don't have a motherfucker. Go. Oh my god, I can't see shit. What is this? I just hate that thing. Hello. I hear a strange sound. I can't even spray. I thought the rest of trying to eat me. Machines. I'm so confused. Oh hell no, no. I'm stuck. What do I do? Where are they? Oh no. Another day, another saving. Oh shit. Oh my god, where the fuck was that? Oh hell no. Oh my goodness. I'm so scared. He's coming. I'm so scared, someone hurry. They're gonna come tickle my toes and I can't see anything. What the fuck? Broski freaking touched me. Oh my goodness, what do you do? I'm turning my brightness up, but I can't see. Yeah, I'm good. By the time I'm done, I'm gonna be on 3%. Cut. Buddy. What? I don't leave. Obviously, right? Probably not. Oh, this. Sweet, I did that. I want to get ready. Can't touch this. And that's me another one. We can't do this shit today. Hey, thanks! That's what I did. Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh my god, that's so much. Oh shit, why is it green? Bad boy! That's a bad boy. Is that a character? Oh my god, he's chasing him. Stop, I'm not wrong. Oh my god, there's nothing in here. Hasta la vida! There's two order ass, bro. I'm just sitting here looking nothing, bro. Need to clap on the Oh. Oh no. Yeah, we're about to use this one. And boom. by the way. Oh my god, he did gonna touch me. I'm absolutely goated. Excuse me. Yo. Oh yeah, we're goated. We're safe, right? Is that a curse too? I don't know. Hasta la vida. Bye-bye. I'm a good girl, so don't touch me. Thank you. Oh, he's trying to touch me. No, we could go ahead. Oh yeah, I'm safe. I don't know where those keep went. Okay, I have to do this. Hurry up. Oh my goodness. Oh, did I got three? Oh, God. Stop talking to yourself as a person. Let's do it easier. Oh shit. Alright, lock up. Oh, fuck you. Oh yeah, I'm surviving this. Ah shit, stop. I thought I would survive, but I guess not. Stop this way. Good boy. Just lightly over here. And we're not. You're not gonna touch me. That music is absolutely insane. I can't find the last one, it's over. This other tune is a bad boy and I don't know what to do. You're not gonna touch me, are you? So I'm confused. It has to be in here. It's not. Girl, I'm confused. Bruh. Hurry up! You're gonna come touch me! Go! I'll survive this. Yeah, we good. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that it was basically uncut. I'm just too lazy this Sunday to do anything and I'm very busy. That's just how it is. I hope you guys enjoyed though. So like, yeah. Goodbye.
Man, I just farted in the elevator. And they like, who farted in the elevator? Bitch, I just farted in the... Okay, now I'm going up like an escalator. Wait, why do I smell someone's fart on the escalator? Someone farted on the escalator. Oh wait, it was me. See you later.